Hi, this is Felix doing tutorial 9, the RGB with the potential meters. Here it is. So I have it set up so that if I change this, it will change the brightness of the LED. So for the potentiometers, I have it connected to 3 volts going through the white wire into 3 volts going into each potentiometer through the yellow connectors, and then going to ground through the red connectors into the ground, the red black wire ground to ground. Then they have the white, yellow, and green going as inputs into the pin 0, 1, and 2. And then for the RGB, I have it set from pin 9, 3, and 6 going as outputs into the RGB through the 100 ohm resistors. And after it goes through the RGB, it will go to ground through the brown connector to the black wire to ground. And here's the coding for the tutorial 9, the basic potentiometers with RGB. So here we set the red pot as pin 0, green pot as pin 1, blue pot as pin 2, red pin as pin 3, green pin as pin 6, blue pin as pin 9, and we set a red value, a green value, and a blue value that will be declared later on. In the voice setup, we set the red pin, the green pin, and the blue pin as outputs. And in the void loop, we have the red value will be the analog read from the red pot. The green value will be the analog read from the green pot. The blue value will be the analog read from the blue pot. And then we have a map function. This will convert the potentiometer number into an analog, right, for the RGB. So the red value, it will map from 0 to 123, which is the potentiometer, to a value from 0 to 255, and it does this for red, green, and blue. And then it will take that value and put it into analog right for the red pin, the green pin, and the blue pin, and it would repeat this again and again. And here is the modified. As you can see, I've replaced the RGB with 3 LEDs. So I changed it so the potentiometers will change the brightness. And the speed of which it blinks. I tried to add another potentiometer that would vary the number of LEDs that will blink, but it didn't work. And there are the LEDs blinking with the 100 ohm resistor. And here's the code. As you can see, I made it so that all the LEDs, all the red LEDs will turn on, and then wait the delay time from the analog read from the blue pin, and all of them will have a brightness set to the red value from the analog of the red pot. And after the timer, they will be all turned off, and then we wait the delay time from the blue pot. I try to set it up so that the different numbers from the green pot will set different numbers of LEDs to blink, but the if statement didn't work. So yeah, this is it.